Avalanches is a massive snow moving down a slope. Avalanches kill close to 30 people in the US and injure even more. 90% are caused by humans. There are multiple types of avalanches. Dry avalanches account for nearly all the avalanche deaths. Loose snow avalanche is loose snow sliding down the mountainside, and that's the reason why they are called a loose snow avalanche. Ice fall avalanches are glaciers flowing over a cliff, which is just the ice equivalent of a waterfall. A cornice fall avalanche is fatal but pretty. Wet avalanches usually occur whenever temperatures rise, but normally occur in the northern latitudes, Alaska, Norway, etc. Glide avalanche is just an entire snowpack moving slowly over a couple of days. And then a slush avalanche is literally just an avalanche plus slush. Have a great day and stay safe.